Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I hope you guys are all doing well. It's actually getting cool out here in Arizona. I think we're gonna hit 70, 75 today. So I am loving it. So today's unboxing is new to my channel. It's Heavenly Bleu. Now I believe this is actually, do not laugh, is the summer box. But I got it late from the company because I kind of ordered it late, and then it's just been kind of sitting around with me going to Chicago and having my daughter and son-in-law here. But I did want to get into it because it's a really great box, and I'm going to be getting my fall box or winter box, so I have to get into this. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, no matter when I post them, and hit the like button. Those of you who are returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I love and appreciate you. Now, Heavenly Bleu is a lifestyle box. Brenda is the owner of this company. She works by herself. She works really hard. She also has a day job. So I did actually get to speak to her on the phone, and she is so sweet. So she puts together, you have choices, kind of like a FabFitFun, but on a higher end. And I want to say this box is, if you just buy it one time, like you can just buy a one-off box, it's like $64 plus shipping. You can buy it seasonally, which is what I decided to do because I know I'm going to enjoy it. You get to preview what's in it, so that's how I know what's in it. And you get to pick, you know, from a couple different choices. And that I think is like $54 a season, which I don't think is bad, especially when you see what's in this box. And then you can buy it annually and you'll save even more. And she gave me a $10 off. So if you want to try it one time, you can save $10 off that first box. So how terrific is that? So it comes wrapped really nice, and it's this beautiful ladies empowered unity. And I don't know if you can see it without me dropping everything on the floor. And there is the guide. And I kind of remember what my choices were, and I actually loved what was in this box. So that's why I decided to get it, because it's really lifestyle related. And it smells awesome. And I'm going to put it on the floor because it's kind of big. So you're getting ready for Halloween? I know in our place, we drove around and everybody's putting out their Halloween decorations. And wait till you see these earrings, which is one of the reasons why I ordered. Now, I don't wear really heavy earrings when I do wear earrings, but these were beautiful. And they're not super heavy, but look at how gorgeous. And I think there was a choice between this and another item, but I just thought these were gorgeous. And I will have to check and see if there's retail prices. As I said, I got the $10 off, so I probably paid about close to $60 with the shipping. It does say everything that's in the box, but I don't know if there's prices. So these are the marble, clay, and silver plated earrings. And this is a $30 value. But I really like these. And I think it's gold. It's hard to tell. I'm not sure if it's gold or silver, a combination of both. But I really like them. Next item is the Rosemary Melon Put Some Love on Your Skin, and it's a hair and body butter. And I've been seeing more and more where you can use the body items in your hair. I haven't tried it yet, but I have to open this and smell it. Oh my gosh, this smells awesome. And let's see if I can find this. The Rosemary Melon Hair and Body Butter retails for $19. So I love it. Next item is a liquid lipstick by Kim Jarrett Beauty. Let's see what color this is. Yeah, so I already ordered my next box, and there were some great items in there. I think she is always going to put a candle in her box. Of course, I will have the link below and the link to save $10, which I think is awesome. And look at this lip color. That is like the perfect shade. I already have lipstick on, but this is the perfect shade. And I know Sue from Reviews with Sue is probably watching my video, and I'm gonna have to say no to the lipstick for Sue because this is like one of her favorite colors. And let's see, this must be the Negro lipstick, and it has avocado oil, and this is retailing for $26.50, and I believe it. That looks like a high-end lipstick. Oh my God. And look what was in the box. She put these beautiful blue flowers in there. How nice is that? And we have a satin. Here. It's got to be jewelry, or maybe not. There's a card. Ooh, looks like a body oil. Shake it up. And this is a aloe mascara. That can't be right. I'm gonna have to put the glasses on. I'm trying not to put the glasses on. And I'll show you what you could have, what the other choices were when I get done. Oh, it says aloe mascara. Ingredients extracted aloe gel, Jamaican castor oil, vitamin E oil, and natural preservatives. And it's $14.99. I guess it's got a mascara brush, so I don't know if it just kind of melted in my, because it's been sitting so long, but definitely doesn't look like a mascara. So maybe it's like a, because it looks like that on the thing too. See, it doesn't look like a black mascara. So maybe it's like a pre-mascara. That's really kind of neat. Okay, and it came beautifully packaged for mascara. And the next is a shampoo bar. Now, I have always wanted a shampoo bar because I said I've never tried any of those products on my hair. And all the boxes that we get, you can get a choice of the shampoo bar. I've never received a shampoo bar. And I think I saw this in the choices, and I'm like, I have to get a shampoo bar. I don't know if it'll work on my hair. Oh my gosh, this smells great. I figured I could try it once. It can't hurt my hair. But look what it looks like. All I know is it smells amazing. So we have the shampoo bar. And I have to text her about the mascara because that looked a little, I think it might have melted. And the shampoo, oh, there must be a conditioner because it says shampoo and conditioner bar bundle. And they retail for $20. The conditioner bar. I can't wait to try this. I have never seen anything like it. So we have that, and I'm sure it smells the same. How exciting is that? We have a few more things in the box. Turn your smartphone into a camera. Oh, I don't even remember this. So this is what this is. I'll just read the directions. I don't even, oh, here it is. It's a Pivo Pod is like your own personal cameraman, just way better. With smart capture modes and auto tracking, you can let Pivo do all the work. Stop worrying about having someone to film you and just focus on giving it tracking and capture perfect selfies. So it sounds like you just, here's the bag, you just stick it on there and it will take pictures of you. See, there's me right there. How cool is that? Always the center of attention. So I will try this and then let you know in one of my other videos how this works. It's for Android and iPhone. That is so cool. And this retails for $109. So totally worth getting the box for. This is a glass, must be 2 glass espresso cups. And these would be perfect for the RV. These I don't remember at all. So let's see if I can find those. I don't see those. She might have said she was out of a few things because I ordered the box so late, so she was gonna maybe substitute. Because I don't see these. Double wall dragon glass, or maybe it's just one. But it is a nice glass. So let's just do a quick recap and I'll tell you what the choices were. So, I mean, to me, this was a fantastic box and worth every penny. So I got the Pivo and the lipstick. And then when you'll see below, like the total retail of this box. I think it's fantastic. The Aloe mascara, which I'll have to read up on because it doesn't look like mascara. And I think it might have separated because it sat there, so it still might be usable. The Rosemary Melon Hair and Body Butter. And I guess you could have picked the massage candle. And I think it gets hot and then you can put it on your body. So I didn't pick that. And then you probably could have gotten the earrings or the bracelets. I didn't get the bracelets, obviously. I love the earrings. Or you could have got these dragon juice glasses, and I probably picked those, but I got the coffee mug. She might have been out of those. And you could have gotten the wine glass with the wine bottle, and I didn't pick those. I didn't want those either. And then the candle and bath salts was a choice. And I got the shampoo and conditioner, or you could have picked deodorant. So that was all your choices. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of this box. I thought it was a terrific box. It was definitely worth it. I will let you know how that camera thing works. I'm really intrigued now. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and please leave me feedback. I just thought this was a terrific box, and Brenda, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.